Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. Most of us like our things when they're organized, but it's a definite bonus when they're displayed so nicely. This 6-tier acrylic rack is not just for nail polish. Yes, maybe that was the original intention. And you see how many this compact rack holds? I was looking for something to display my stickers that I sell at craft shows. I wanted them to be visible and not lying flat on a table or tray. And I'm just so thrilled with how well this display rack shows off my stickers. They're eye-catching, and because there's 6 shelves, I can display a large amount all at once. And the rack makes it easy to sort through the stickers too. It was easy to assemble, and I really appreciate that it came with a screwdriver. The premium acrylic pieces were covered with a nice plastic film to keep them from scratching in transit, which is also a nice feature. And this rack would be great for organizing a number of other small items like paints, little small paints, or lipsticks, sunglasses, all kinds of stuff like that. This acrylic rack from BTremary has made my life just that much easier, and I am just loving the storage solution for my stickers. And that's my point of view.